All right, in this section, we are going to add our test scores. So you have a couple choices here. You can either submit your ACT and your SAT scores, just submit everything. Nothing will hurt you if you have SAT scores, for example, that are lower than your ACT scores. They're going to take the highest, but you do have the choice of only submitting either your ACT or your SAT scores. If you do submit your ACT scores, you want to submit all of them, and they'll take the highest ones. Okay, so you're going to go over to standardized tests, and then let me get back over here so I can show you. So you've only taken, there's a bunch of tests in here that you have not taken, so you're not going to report those. You're just going to focus on the ones that you have taken. So you're going to be adding your ACT scores. Okay, and then it says, have you taken this test? You're going to say yes. And you took this test in September 27th, 2016. You're going to enter your ACT student ID, and then you're going to enter your scores there. Okay. And then you're going to go to save this test. And then you're going to go to add a standardized test. And you want to enter another ACT score. So you're going to say yes, you've taken it. And then you took it in, the second time you took it was April, oops. Let's see, April 19th of 2017. Okay, and then you're going to enter your scores again, save this test. Now, if you want to let the CSU know that you're going to take it again, so that they know to be expecting more scores, you're going to go to add a standardized test. You're going to select ACT again. And then when it asks you if you've taken this test, you're going to select no. And then when do you plan to take it? And you'll put the date in that you plan to take it. Okay? So maybe I plan to take it, November something. I don't know, 14th. Save this test. And then it's going to show up like that. And then you're going to go down and you're going to do the same thing with your SAT scores. Okay? All right. We're almost done. You have never taken AP or you've never taken AP classes, so you can just skip through this part. Same thing with this, you just skip through that part. Okay, this achievement section is completely optional and it has no bearing on your admission to the CSU. I'm not even exactly sure why they added it. You can definitely add your achievements in here, but just know that they will not be considered when for your admissions decision. So my recommendation is maybe just to go ahead and skip this part and save yourself a step. Okay, so when you're done with that part, if you have chosen that you want to apply for EOP, you're going to want to add your recommenders. Okay, so you'll add them here, and you're going to want to give them a heads up that you've added them, because what's going to happen is this is going to send them an email asking them to fill out a letter of recommendation online. So just let the recommender know that you've listed them as a recommender, and make sure that you give them a student information sheet. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my application. And so what this is showing me is that how done I am. So this section right here, personal information, I'm completely done. Supporting information, I'm done. Program materials, I'm done. And it looks like I'm missing something for academic history, so let me go back into that section and see what I'm missing. Oh, okay. I know what I'm missing. So transcript entry, because I haven't yet added my Delta and Miracosta classes. So let me go ahead and do that now. I'm just going to add one so that it will let me move on. And maybe this is psychology. Oops. Oh, I spelled that all kinds of wrong. And I don't know the name of that class. So how can I find out? I'm going to go to San Joaquin Delta College. And I can go to let's see, I believe it's catalog, schedule of classes, and I'm just going to look for that psychology class so I can see the title. You can also look on an old syllabus or ask somebody who's in the class now what the name of the class is. Okay, and it's Psych 1. The title is Introduction to Psychology. So Intro to Psychology. And it's saying no results found. That's totally fine. Just keep going. And subject is psychology. Okay. Okay. And then I can go over to Miracosta. And maybe I'm taking that now. It's in progress if I'm taking it now, and I'm going to add the course. And that course is called, it's IST something. I'm going to need you guys to look this up on your own and find out the proper name of the course, but I think it's Intro to Google Docs or something like that. Okay, and it's going to be, subject is going to be select computer science for this one. Okay, 3 units. Okay. All right. So now I should be good. Now it should be telling me that I'm done with that section. So if I go back to my application, no, it's still telling me that it's not complete. What am I doing wrong here? Let's see. Review and finalize my transcripts. Don't forget that step like I did. Okay. Okay, this question is tricky. It doesn't make any sense. It's poorly worded. It's asking you which one of these is your primary college. And by primary college, what they mean is where you're going to earn your first bachelor's degree. You're not going to earn your first bachelor's degree at any one of these colleges. Go ahead and just select Delta College and continue. Did you repeat any classes? So if you took a class twice because you failed one the first time, you would select yes. If not, you select no. Continue. Did you receive credit for any AP courses? That's going to be no. This one's going to be no. And we don't do honors courses, so that's a no. Did you take any courses while studying abroad? No. Now we're complete here. So we can go back to my application, and now it's complete. So now I can submit it. Well, almost. I need to add my schools. So to add my schools, I'm going to go to Add Program. And I'm going to add the name of campus. So let's just say I'm applying to Fresno State. Location, I'm going to select main campus. Delivery format is going to be face-to-face. That basically just means you're not taking online classes. And start term, you're going to start in the fall. Okay, and then here you're going to go down here and you're going to select a major. For a lot of colleges, you can select undeclared if you want to. Some of them will not let you. Let's see if I can select undeclared for Fresno. Oh, I just saw it. It's right there. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to save this. Okay, and then maybe I want to add another program. So I want to apply to more than one. Oh wait, what did I do wrong? Okay, here we go. So I want to apply to maybe Humboldt, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with that one. Main campus, delivery format is face-to-face, start term is fall. Okay. All right, now I'm done with that, so I'm going to go to submit applications. Oh. It didn't take. What happened? Humboldt. Main campus. Face-to-face. Fall. Oh, my major. Okay. Okay, so now the colleges that I'm planning on applying to are here. So then what I can do is I can go ahead and I could submit. I can either submit all of these or I can submit them one at a time. What it's telling me here is how much I'm going to owe. So now I want to check and see if I got a fee waiver. So I can click on check my fee waivers, and it looks like I did get a fee waiver, and this is going to track for me how many I have left. If you get a fee waiver, you get 4 fee waivers. If you didn't get a fee waiver, then this link here won't appear, and it will just have your total fees. And at the time that you submit your application, you'll have to pay for those. So you'll have to let me know if you need assistance paying for those or if you can pay for them on your own. And you are going to need a credit card. Okay, so once you're done with that, you submit, you are good to go. And then we'll talk about what to do to follow up with your applications another time. Thank you for listening.